Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Common Core, 4th grade, operations and algebraic thinking. Use the 4 operations with whole numbers to solve problems. This is an engaged video created by Willoughby Eastlake Schools. If you are presently using a smartboard, please remember to save this video first on your computer, then open it up with Smart Video Player. If you would please, have a student come up to the smartboard for the very first problem. Thank you. Problem 1. You'll notice that problem 1 is divided up into 2 parts. Let's look at the first part. John paid $8 for stamps. Amy paid 3 times as much for her stamps. How much did Amy pay for her stamps? When told to, you'll draw a line under the correct answer for this part. Part 2. Dan's dog, Penny, chewed 3 table legs last week. How many table legs did she chew this week if she chewed 3 times as many as last week? Place your answer here. If you would please, pick up a pen to solve these 2 problems. Okay, let's look at the first one. $8 and 3 times as much, so the answer for that one had to be letter C. 3 times 8 is 24. And for Penny, if she chewed 3 table legs last week and now she chewed 3 times as many, she must have chewed 9 legs. 3 times 3 is 9. If your answers match ours, that is incredible. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard, and while they're doing that, if you would erase your answers, we would appreciate it. Thank you. Problem 2. 2 word problems. Let me read them to you. Mary ran 5 miles last month. How many miles did she run this month if she ran 4 times as many miles? Place your answer here. Harry bought 5 baseball cards. Mike bought 6 times as many. How many baseball cards did Mike buy? Place your answer here. If you would please, pick up a pen to solve these 2 problems. Okay, let's look at the first one. 4 times 5 is 20. And for this one, Mike bought 6 times as many. 6 times 5 is 30. If your answers match ours, that is wonderful. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard while you erase your 2 answers. Thank you. Problem 3. Choose the multiplication sentence that can be used to describe the models below. Here we have 1, 2, and we want 7 times more. On this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we would like to have 9 times as much. If you would please, pick up a pen to draw a line under the correct answer here and here. Please do that now. Okay, let's look at the first one. 7 times more. Here's 2. Their answer should have been 7 times 2 is 14. On this one, it says 9 times as much. So it'd be 4 times 9, or D. If your answers matched ours, that is fantastic. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard for the very last problem. And please erase the board. Problem 4. Two-word problems. Let me read the first and second one to you. Joey uses 9 times as much white paper as yellow paper. He needs 5 pages of yellow paper. How much white paper does he need? Place your answer here. There are 2 times as many American-made cars as foreign. There are 6 foreign-made cars. How many American-made cars are there in the United States? Please draw a line under the correct answer over here. If you would please pick up a pen to solve these 2 problems. Okay, let's look at the first one. Your answer should have been 45 sheets of paper. 9 times 5 is 45. And over here, if we have twice as many, it would be 2 times 6 and or 12. If your answers matched ours, that is remarkable. If you would please pick up an eraser to erase your smartboard, and we would like to thank you for working with us today on the Common Core.